Most developers write tests, but do they really know what assertions are doing? An assertion is a statement inside your test that checks whether something is true. It compares the actual output your code produces to the expected output you define. For example, if you call a function that adds two numbers, you use assertEqual to verify the result equals what you expect. If the comparison holds, the assertion passes silently. That is the core contract of every unit test. Now, here is where assertions get powerful. When an assertion fails, it immediately stops the test and reports exactly which check did not pass. The test runner tells you what value it expected versus what it actually got. So instead of your code silently returning wrong results, a failed assertion surfaces the bug immediately and tells you precisely where the problem is. Beyond assertEqual and assertTrue, testing frameworks give you a rich toolkit. assertRaises checks that your code throws a specific exception. assertIn verifies a value exists in a collection. assertIsNone confirms a variable is none. Each type makes your tests more expressive and your intent more precise. A single test can contain multiple assertions, each checking a different aspect of behavior. And when something breaks, the test runner shows you the exact expected versus actual values, making debugging straightforward. Assertions are the truth checks of your tests. Master the full range to write precise, expressive tests. Now practice writing your own. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.